Serious crashes are,
Pretty horrific, pretty confronting.
yeah, can be quite confronting.
It's awful.
The saddest thing I find is that people are seeing things that no one should have to see.
Yeah, there's a lot of smells and sounds that go to with someone who's caught up in a crash.
You're seeing the kids involved, you're seeing the parents involved, you're seeing the guilt involved.
Small confined spaces, yeah, it's never nice.
Yeah, they just were going for a drive, and unfortunately, due to not paying attention or something like that, it's changed their life forever.
I mean, we've got bystanders as well as obviously people that have been involved in the crash, and for a lot of people, they've never seen a crash before and it is really scary for them.
And I don't think it's something you ever really get used to dealing with or seeing.
With people travelling through this area or approaching Taupō and the roads around, fatigue is a big factor.
Everyone thinks it won't happen to them, but it can and it does.
Yeah. Speed, alcohol, tiredness, always are factors.
My feelings are when I come away from that sort of accident is what a waste. I couldn't help saying to myself, what a waste.
I think it's that nothing's actually changing. We keep hearing the same message, the same reasons that we need to slow down and everything, but just people don't seem to be listening, just having the same problems repeat themselves.
It's heartbreaking.
Same old story, like don't be in a rush, plan your trip, like take breaks, don't speed, wear a seatbelt, don't drink and drive, like all the really simple things.
Driving a vehicle is a responsibility that needs to be taken seriously.
Remember that road crashes can and do happen to anyone, at any time.